Okay, everybody wanted to see purple here. So we got 2 parts HyperTone stain red, 1 part of HyperTone stain blue to make a beautiful purple, which we'll then put basic coatings finish over the top. We have a lot of fans out there. People love purple, man. So this is the nicest purple you're going to get on a stain. It's beautiful. Look at that. The depth of that. Wait till you wipe this too. When you wipe this, it's going to be just gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm kind of excited to wipe that color.
We're here doing the workshop at Infinite Hardwood Distributors at their Seattle location. We'll be doing these every couple of months. So you want to come back and see how this is done again? We'll be doing more of this here in the summertime. We're going to order